So in this Kraken tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy MYX Finance, ticker symbol MYX on Kraken. So once Kraken is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on Explore, then go to the top search bar and type in a ticker symbol MYX. At the top it says MYX Finance, press on that, then go to the bottom right and press on Buy. On this page, you can type in the amount of MYX Finance you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $20 worth, I would type in 20 and then press on the purple arrow. On this page here, you can review the amount, the price, the fee, the total that you would be paying, as well as the method of payment. And if all looks good, press on Confirm at the bottom to proceed with the transaction. So that is how to buy MYX Finance, ticker symbol MYX on Kraken. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.